Back to my channel. Today, do you know that iconic game called Gongi from Squid Game? I've got it right here, and today we're going to be unboxing it. But it has a warning saying, can you read it? Warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for under children's ears. Let's open it. Brother. Okay. Oh. Oh, I found two holes. I think I can open it. Yes, I can open it. Okay. Brown box. Wow. Brother, you give me another box. What? Oh. Brother, what? Brother, it looks so good. Brother. Let me just put them on their base and I'll show it to you. Brother, look at this. Who wouldn't want this? Who wouldn't want this, brother? Like it has this green one, the red one, the blue one, the purple one, the yellow one. Bruh. And look at the base, my guy. And it feels so good. Let's try to play with it. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Oh, brother, I am so bad at this. Let's try it. Brother, what? How am I so bad? I used to play so good. Okay, one more try. Okay. Oh, brother, let's try it. Oh, got it. Oh, my. Brother, why am I so bad? I. Okay, never mind. I cannot play this. Why? I don't know. And let's give it final try. Never give up, my guy. Brother, you're supposed to throw it like sideways. Yeah, boy. Brother, one more. Brother, look. Now we just flip it. Brother. Well, I can do the final part, but at least I did all of those parts, which are the easier one. Well, not all, only the first level. I make sure, because I'm going to make a video where I play the whole gongi. Dude, magangi. Okay, I'll put it back in the box. Okay, do this, see that. And brother, I am done. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.